madness.
Hello and welcome to Tuhin editing, and today I'm going to show you how you can stabilize your shaky footage inside Adobe Premiere Pro. So basically I'm making a promotional video here, and you can see the footage that is renamed here C002NT. It is a little bit shaky. You can see there is a shakiness here. It's shaking. So it was actually recorded handheld, so that is why there is a subtle shake here. So how to fix that? Go to effects panel and look for warp stabilizer and select the footage. Drag the warp stabilizer over this footage and you will see there is a blue bar over the video, and it is saying analyzing in background step 1 of 2. So it will take some times depending on your footage size and resolution, and it will automatically stabilize your video. And to be honest, the result actually pretty good depending on the background and other assets. Premiere Pro actually has a very good option to stabilize your footage, so it will take a while, and it's done. Title that is called stabilized, so you will see there is no more shake. See, very stabilized video. So this is how you can stabilize your footage very simply and fast. Let's stabilize another footage. This one also has some shakiness in it, I guess. Yes, it has. It's shaking. Handheld footage, so obviously there will be some shake. So we are going to do the same process. Click on this one, warp stabilizer. Analyzing in background 1 of 2, same process, and it will take some time. So if the video is longer, we have a very small clip here, so it is actually doing the steps very fast. So if you are making longer video stabilized, it will take more times, and depending on your PC requirements it will vary. Let's see, the stabilizing is done. No more shakiness. You see, it's like it's looking like it has been recorded with a gimbal camera. So, and let me show you one more thing that is very important. This video, this clip, it also has some shakiness here, you can see, but I have used speed to match up with the speed duration, to match up with the voice. I have increased the speed 110%. So you will see warp stabilizer and speed can't be used on same clip. So remember that when you use speed up or speed down or any kind of speed editing on a clip, you can't use the warp stabilizer on it. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. I hope it helps you to stabilize your video very fast, and see you in the next one.